I'm gonna show you all how I clean my plumber's pipe wrench. See here, this is what I'm talking about. That, just make sure that everything is oiled. Um, one reason I clean them is to make sure that the teeth are clean so I can get a good grip on the pipes when I'm turning them. And what I'm going to show you is how to make sure you get a better grip on your teeth on the pipes. See this right here, these teeth right here, you see the grooves on the inside? Your teeth should have some kind of form at the top right there, like these right here. You see that? I don't have a defined form where the teeth are showing. They grip, but I want the teeth to have some kind of form like those. You see those teeth right there? You can see that form. And as you notice, the teeth are facing, they're pointing toward me. They're pointing this way. I'm gonna show you why in a second. But to clean those, open up your pipe wrench, and it's wide enough to get a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, on the inside, and just scrape that. A lot of times you'll have a rusty pipe, or some of the paint on the pipe would come off, and over a period of time they would just clog up the teeth. So we can do that. This one is clean. You see that? We have teeth on this one, so that one is clean. This one is gunky. So we're gonna open it up like that. And we are actually going to scrape. You see this? See that? Getting all that rust out. So you get all that rust out. I don't know if you all can see that good. So go this way. Get all that gunk out of there, so we can have pretty teeth on the pipes. Pretty pipe teeth. Okay. Now, don't they look better? Don't they pretty? Look a whole lot better. Okay. Let's go with the next one. See that? You can see that. I'm gonna do this the same way. Open the teeth up all the way. Well, where you can get the screwdriver in. And we're just gonna go right there at the bottom. And just scrape the teeth. Just little scrapes. And have happy teeth. Happy clean teeth. So we're gonna have a happy pipe wrench. Have a pipe wrench that's going to be happy to grasp on the next pipe, which I'm going to show you in a second. Okay. Now on these pipe wrenches also, I like to oil these pipe wrenches. In the old video I showed about changing your oil in your lawnmower. I say save that oil because a lot of times you want to just put the oil on the tools. Just keep them lubricated. Happy. That way stuff won't rust. put it on your chains so your chain won't rust. And everybody is happy, just like the guy off in the Wiz. Slide a little oil on me. Say, slide a little oil on me. Now this is how you use these pipe wrenches. Just in case you all didn't know, okay? Okay. You see this wrench, this pipe right here? To make the pipe wrench work, you have to, let's get out a little. Come on, let's get out. Okay. There we go. You have to get the pipe wrench right at the size of the pipe. Similar to, real close to the size of the pipe. Just gonna get something. The more I try to show this, the more that it's just not gonna work right. It's gonna go right there. Okay. You see those teeth? I was telling you the teeth points to the right. If you hold it up here, the teeth points to the right, and that's to grip the pipe here. So you get the pipe right here, and you don't want it to sit directly on here. Let's turn it this way. Let's see what I'm talking about. Okay, we're gonna look right here at this piece right here. You want it to not sit like this. It's not gonna work. So you get the pipe to where it just barely touch, just like this. Okay? Now, because the teeth grips the opposite way, you see that the pipe wrench is not moving. I can slide it this way and it's not going to move because the teeth are gripping. So when you slide it this way, you can twist the pipe that way. Slide, twist, slide, twist, slide, twist. That's how the pipe wrench works, or that's how you use a pipe wrench. It's not going to fall because the teeth is there. So on all your pipe wrenches, depending on the size, you don't want it big like this. Close it. Close it where it's going to grip, just like that. And you can slide, 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 slide. So you use one of these pipe wrenches. I'm going to slide. Close it. Not gonna move, it's gripping. Slide. Grip, slide. Grip, slide. Grip, slide. Grip. Grip, slide. Slide. Okay, and that's how you use these pipe wrenches.